as you can tell, I've tried the celery juice on my own, and it is nasty, okay? And I'm so sorry to say that. Anybody that drinks it raw, amen to you, okay? And eats it raw, amen to you again, because you're either just lying or you're not human, because that shit does not taste good to me whatsoever. However, this video is not about how tasteless or awful it tastes, whatever, right? I'm pretty much gonna bring back why this is something you should be drinking and why you should incorporate celery into your diet. And I'm gonna have a simple recipe towards the end of the video. Hopefully you'll like it and it's not as an awful taste. It still tastes less like celery, a little bit more so healthier. Obviously, I know people always tell me, I don't really like green smoothies, they taste nasty, they're gross. Depends on how you make it. It depends on what you put in it, you know what I'm saying? So hopefully you'll enjoy that recipe. But first, more benefits. Number 1, it keeps you hydrated. So a lot of people, I have noticed, they stay dehydrated majority of the day. They're either not getting enough fluids or they're getting the wrong fluids. For example, I am actually slowly eliminating anything that is caffeinated. So any coffee, any caffeinated teas. I'm really trying to get that out of my system, only because I don't like the taste of coffee particularly. I used to like it when I was younger, but I also know that coffee or anything that's like caffeinated will give you a sense of thirst, of being dehydrated, and it actually takes out the water out of your body. So the more caffeine you take, for example, if you're gonna have anything with shots in it, like lattes, cappuccinos, all that shebang, it's really not good to have so much. And I'm not saying you should cut it out, I'm just saying you may want to limit it and add some more water in your life, so you're not losing so much water and gaining so much caffeine. You want to be able to have more water and less caffeine. Did you like that? Number 2, low in sugar. By having a low sugar intake will reduce all the sugars in your body and calorie intake. So number 3, anti-inflammatory. And anti-inflammatory is the best thing to have because it's plant compounds that are called, don't correct me if I'm wrong, phytonutrients. And phytonutrients, they're active compounds that act as antioxidants, which help lower oxidative stress. And oxidative stress occurs when you have unstable molecules that are called free radicals that accumulate in the body. Fun fact, so if you stick to more of an antioxidant type of diet, you're gonna lower the risk of even having any type of diseases like heart disease, lung disease, you're gonna lessen like being obese, having obesity, any types of cancer, and your skin is gonna glow. I'm telling you, I stick more to a plant-based diet, as some of you guys may know, as a vegan, and I try to stay away from like anything that's like mock meats. I do eat them from time to time, but not that much. I'm more of like fruits and veggies type of girl. And it definitely will show in your skin within like maybe 1 to 2 to 3 months, depending on how much you're eating of this stuff. But you really want to stay healthy as possible. And I always tell people, greens is the way to go. And the moment we've been waiting for. So, quick, simple, easy recipe. Let's start now. So, this is what we're putting into it. Green apple, celery, ginger, lemon juice, or lime juice. I put lime juice in mine today. So I'm very excited to show you the results of this smoothie. I think it came out pretty nice. And when I tasted it, I didn't feel like I was gonna be throwing up. And it wasn't that actually. It had still a little taste of celery in it, but honestly, you can substitute anything. If you want to add something, I usually add a banana if you don't like the taste of celery, because there is a little taste of it. You would add in a banana to lessen the flavor. It is going to be a little bit thicker, and I hope you enjoyed this little recipe and use it. It'll be great for you and beneficial. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't subscribed already, and I will see you on another video, guys. Take care, Have a great one and peace. 2 seconds, guys. 2 seconds of your time, please and thank you. I completely forgot to tell you I'm gonna be live streaming on Mondays, Monday evenings around 5 p.m. I really want to start. I was kind of fluctuating between 5 and 7, so please comment below what you think is best. Even if it was 6 p.m., it's fine. Live streams are probably gonna be a half an hour to an hour long base, and it's overall gonna be about my healthy lifestyle, or if anybody has any questions about why I became vegan or veganism. But overall, creating a healthy and loving lifestyle that you love. Any tips and trannies, I definitely will answer anybody's questions. And stay tuned for that, and also stay tuned for my Instagram live. I do not have a set date on that yet. However, I am gonna be posting the day before on when I'm gonna be live streaming the day after. So please look out on my stories for that. I will give my Instagram link right below and also in the description box. Now guys, you can take care and have a blessed day, and peace.